I am sad because my friend is sick. I am sad because my friend is sick.
I eat because I am hungry. I eat because I am hungry.
I listen to music while I eat. I listen to music while I eat.
I read a book while I drink tea. I read a book while I drink tea.
I run because I am late. I run because I am late.
I walk because the day is nice. I walk because the day is nice.
I talk on the phone while I walk. I talk on the phone while I walk.
I smile while I work. I smile while I work.
I drink water because I am thirsty. I drink water because I am thirsty.
I am late because the bus is slow. I am late because the bus is slow.
I cook dinner while I listen to music. I cook dinner while I listen to music.
I learn new words while I read. I learn new words while I read.
I stay home because it is raining.
I stay home because it is raining. I like English because it is interesting. I like English because it is interesting. I eat lunch while I talk with friends. I eat lunch while I talk with friends.
I look outside while I sit by the window. I look outside while I sit by the window.
I am tired because I worked all day. I am tired because I worked all day. I am hungry because I did not eat. I am hungry because I did not eat. I learn English while I watch videos. I learn English while I watch videos. I smile because I feel good. I smile because I feel good. I am cold because the window is open. I am cold because the window is open.
I cook dinner while I listen to music. I cook dinner while I listen to music.
I walk because the day is nice. I walk because the day is nice.